In this video, I will show to change the language and theme in Meta AI. Here you can go and type this one Meta AI, then open this website. Now on the left side, click this button, and after that click settings. So this one is language option. You can select any of the language. For example, let me scroll down. Select this one. Here you can see language is done. Now again let's go back, then select this button, and after that again you can go back and change the language to the English. That's done. After that, now how you can activate the dark theme, then select the settings, then select the theme, select the dark. Now let's go back. Here you can see that looks professional and elegant.